Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy buffalo chicken dip, easy method. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F and shredding 1 rotisserie chicken into bite-sized pieces. Mix 8 Oz Greek yogurt, 4 Oz reduced fat cream cheese, 1/2 cup hot sauce, and 1/2 cup shredded cheddar. Stir in chicken and bake until bubbly, about 20 minutes. This method keeps flavor bold while cutting excess fat for a lighter party favorite. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and quick. Measure 8 Oz Greek yogurt, 4 Oz reduced fat cream cheese, 1/2 cup hot sauce, and 1/4 cup ranch dressing. Have 2 cups shredded cooked chicken and 1/2 cup shredded cheddar ready, plus optional chopped green onions for garnish. Using pre-cooked chicken and measured sauces makes assembly fast and consistently tasty, perfect for weeknight snacks or game day dips. Mixing and baking are the keys to a creamy, tangy dip that still feels light. Whisk yogurt, cream cheese, hot sauce, and ranch until smooth, then fold in shredded chicken and 1/2 cup cheddar. Spoon into an oven-safe dish and bake at 350 degrees F for about 20 minutes until bubbly. Finish with an extra sprinkle of cheddar and a quick broil for color. Let it rest a few minutes before serving to thicken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.